Planning for a luxurious summer vacation in the USA? Picture this: sun-drenched days and starlit nights, the allure of the open road, the promise of adventure around every corner. Now imagine all this with a touch of luxury, sumptuous meals, opulent accommodations, and top-notch service. In this video, we're going to explore some of the USA's most luxurious destinations, from the chic Hamptons to the ritzy Aspen, the quaint Nantucket to the glamorous Palm Beach. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these lavish locales. Imagine the sun setting over the ocean while you're sipping on a cocktail in a chic beach house. Welcome to the Hamptons, New York, a place where luxury isn't just an option, it's a way of life. Nestled on the eastern end of Long Island, the Hamptons is a collection of seaside communities known for their stunning beach houses and high-end amenities. Stroll down the quaint streets lined with multi-million-dollar mansions, each one more impressive than the last. These beach houses are not just homes, they're architectural masterpieces, oozing with elegance and sophistication. And when it comes to dining, the high-end restaurants here serve nothing less than culinary excellence, offering a gastronomic experience that's second to none. But what truly sets the Hamptons apart is its exclusive social scene. From glamorous parties to charity galas, the events here are a testament to its residents' lavish lifestyle. The Hamptons, where the elite meet to escape the city heat. Looking for a cool retreat in the heart of the Rockies? Look no further than Aspen, Colorado. Nestled in the Rocky Mountains, Aspen is a beacon of luxury amid nature's grandeur. Here, upscale resorts dot the landscape, offering an immersive experience of opulence and comfort. Think panoramic mountain views from your room, 5-star service, and state-of-the-art amenities. But Aspen isn't just about staying indoors. It's a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, biking, golfing, you name it, Aspen has it. And for the adrenaline junkies, there's paragliding and whitewater rafting too. When it's time to dine, Aspen raises the bar with its culinary scene. Gourmet restaurants serve dishes crafted by world-renowned chefs. And the dining experience is elevated with breathtaking mountain vistas as the backdrop. And let's not forget the shopping. Aspen is home to boutique shops carrying high-end brands, perfect for those seeking a luxurious shopping spree. Aspen, a mountainous paradise that screams luxury. For a blend of history and luxury, Nantucket, Massachusetts is the place to be. This quaint island is a gem in the Atlantic, a haven for the discerning traveler. Here, you'll find charming cottages lining the cobblestone streets, each one a unique blend of old-world elegance and contemporary comfort. Nantucket is also a haven for beach lovers. The island is home to private beaches where you can enjoy the sun, sand, and surf away from the crowds. The azure waters of the Atlantic are a sight to behold, adding to the island's serene and tranquil ambience. But Nantucket is not all about relaxation and tranquility. For those who love a bit of retail therapy, the island offers high-end shopping. From designer boutiques to unique local crafts, you can indulge your shopping desires to your heart's content. Nantucket, Massachusetts, a perfect blend of history, charm, and luxury. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where you can step back from the rush of daily life and simply unwind. Nantucket, where old-world charm meets modern luxury. Craving a tropical luxury getaway, Palm Beach, Florida is your destination. Imagine stepping into a world of opulence and grandeur, where sprawling estates stand as monuments of wealth and status. Picture yourself strolling through lush, manicured gardens punctuated by towering palm trees that sway lazily in the warm breeze. Transport yourself to Worth Avenue, the rodeo drive of the East Coast, where luxury shopping is an experience in itself. From high fashion to exquisite jewelry, the offerings are nothing short of extravagant. Now let your senses guide you to the fine dining scene. Indulge in gourmet cuisine with a side of stunning ocean views at world-class restaurants that cater to the most discerning palates. And of course, no visit to Palm Beach would be complete without a day at the pristine beaches. Here, the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean meet the golden sands in a symphony of natural beauty. Palm Beach, where the sun shines on the luxurious lifestyle. So, where will your luxury summer vacation take you? As we wrap up this grand tour, let's take a moment to revisit these splendid destinations. We started our journey in the Hamptons, New York, a playground for the elite, boasting fine dining, exclusive parties, and pristine beaches. It's a place where the charm of small-town life meets the glitz and glamour of high society. Then we ascended to Aspen, Colorado. An alpine retreat nestled in the Rocky Mountains, Aspen offers luxury in every breath of its crisp, clean air. From world-class skiing to opulent lodges, it's a haven for those seeking adventure and comfort in one package. Our journey continued east to Nantucket, Massachusetts. This quaint island is a treasure trove of history and elegance. With its cobblestone streets, antique shops, and upscale restaurants, Nantucket offers a rich, luxurious experience steeped in tradition. Finally, we descended to the sun-kissed shores of Palm Beach, Florida. A tropical paradise where luxury is a way of life, Palm Beach is home to palatial estates, high-end shopping, and some of the world's most beautiful beaches. Each of these destinations offers a unique take on luxury, catering to different tastes and preferences. Whether you're seeking the excitement of the Hamptons, the tranquility of Aspen, the charm of Nantucket, or the glamour of Palm Beach, one thing is for certain. No matter where you choose, a luxurious summer awaits you in the USA.